In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read and reply to a received email in Outlook. This tutorial will guide you step by step to ensure you can manage your emails efficiently. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't downloaded it, you can find Outlook as part of the Microsoft 365 suite, or you can access it directly through your web browser by navigating to Outlook's website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the sign in option. Go ahead and click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password credentials to sign in. It's important to use the correct details here, so make sure you have them handy. Now that you are logged in, you'll be directed to your inbox, which is essentially the main hub where all your received messages are listed. You'll notice various emails in your inbox. Select the email you wish to read by simply clicking on it. This will open the email and allow you to view its contents fully. Taking a moment to read through the message is crucial, as it ensures you understand what's being communicated before responding. Once you've read through the email and are ready to reply, you should look for the reply option. You'll typically find it at the top or bottom of the open email under a button labelled reply. Click on this button to continue. This action will open a new window or pane where you can draft your response. You'll notice that the recipient's email address is already populated, so that's one less thing to worry about. In the message body, you can now begin writing your reply. It's always good practice to start with a greeting, addressing the person you're replying to. Clarity in your message is key, so make sure your response is clear, concise, and thoughtful. If there's additional information or attachments you need to include, this is the time to do so. Taking a moment to reread your email before sending it can help catch any mistakes or typos. After composing your response and you're satisfied with it, the final step is to click on the send button. You'll find this at the bottom of your email draft. With one click, your message will be on its way to the recipient. Sending an email is straightforward, but ensuring your message is well crafted is always a good practice. And that's how you can read and reply to an email in Outlook. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, managing your emails efficiently is a vital skill in today's digital world. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy emailing!